Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Cheap Camera Experience, the series in which I'm testing very affordable old cameras, and this time I got a Canon Prima BF compact point and shoot camera from the 90s. Yes, a Canon. Never thought I would touch a Canon anytime soon, but here we go. You can get this 35mm camera already for about 10 euros or even cheaper on eBay. On the top you have a timer, a little rewind and shutter button, and a small display how much photos you have left. On the bottom you have the door for the batteries to put in and a fancy little tripod mount. On the side you got a slider to open the back so you can put your film in it. Yes, you need an analog film for this camera. The one I had was a Konica Minolta 100VX super film with 36 shots. 36 shots, that's really not a lot, but here are some of the photos I got out of this. As you can see, the weather was terrible when I shot this and the image quality is really not that good. But what I really like is the retro look, although I think that the Konica Minolta 100VX isn't the best choice. I think with a Kodak Ektachrome you could probably get much better colors. But how was it shooting with such an analog point and shoot? Honestly, it was a lot of fun holding such a camera after so many years in my hands again. It reminded me of my childhood when my family really only had these kind of cameras. Family shots are also the ones that work best with these kind of compact cameras, and you will appreciate these photos even more. Don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.